In line with our philosophy to be self-dependent and different, we have built our very own control panel. It is provided with all of our hosting plans at no extra cost and no licensing fees involved, so you don't have to worry about potential price changes in the future. Our control panel is easy to use and has all the features you can ask for. You can easily manage files and email accounts, backup and restore data at any time, install and manage WordPress, monitor your resource usage, and manage your DNS settings. It features a cPanel importer, allowing you to easily move over from your previous host. To prevent identity theft and unauthorized access, the control panel supports two-factor authentication. Take a demo tour of our control panel via the link provided in the description of this video.